In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autocorrect in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where the writing tools live in Outlook on the web and how to fine-tune them so your messages look the way you want. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then open the official Outlook website from the results. Once you're on the Outlook web interface, open a new message by selecting New Mail. We're starting a draft because the writing tools we need are accessible right from the message composer. In the Compose window, look along the toolbar and click the three dots to reveal more options. Hover your cursor over Editor to expand its menu, then choose Editor Settings. This opens the panel where Outlook's writing assistance lives. Here, you'll see the Corrections area, which controls how Outlook fixes and formats your text as you type. First, find the toggle for Enable Autocorrect. Switch it on if you want Outlook to automatically fix common typos and simple mistakes as you write. This is great for catching quick slip-ups without interrupting your flow. If you prefer to keep full manual control and decide on every change yourself, turn this toggle off so nothing is corrected automatically. Next, look for Enable Auto Capitalization. When this is on, Outlook starts new sentences with a capital letter and capitalizes certain proper nouns. If you like your text to be cleaned up as you go, keep it enabled. If you're working with specific formatting or styles that don't follow standard capitalization, disable it. Still in the Corrections section, you'll see the Spelling toggle. Turning spelling on highlights misspelled words and offers suggestions so you can fix them with a click. Turning it off removes those underlines and suggestions, which can be useful if you find them distracting. Right below that is the Grammar toggle. Enable this if you want Outlook to flag grammar and clarity issues as you write, offering gentle guidance for structure, punctuation, and readability. If you don't want those checks, simply switch it off. When you've set autocorrect, auto capitalization, spelling, and grammar the way you want, click OK to apply your changes and close the settings panel. Your new preferences will take effect immediately in the message you're composing and future emails. That's it. You navigated to Outlook on the web, opened a new message, accessed the editor menu through the three dots, adjusted your correction settings for autocorrect, auto capitalization, spelling, and grammar, and confirmed with OK. You can return to these settings anytime the same way to tweak them as your needs change.